Over here, I have three simple examples of a rectangle, a rhombus, and a triangle. Now you might ask me, sir, why do I have rhombus here? You didn't tell us how to calculate the area of a rhombus. I will show you how to do so now. Very, very cool. So you know that the area of a rectangle is equal to length times breadth. And yes, you must write down the formula before you substitute. Does this word sound familiar? Substitute the known values into these unknown variables. So we know that the length of this rectangle is equal to 7 centimeters, right? Multiply by the breadth of this rectangle, which is equal to 5 centimeters. And 7 times 5 gives you 35 centimeters, what? Centimeters squared. Always with area. I'll do the rhombus last. Over here I have a triangle, and the area of a triangle is equal to half multiplied by the base multiplied by the height. Or alternatively, you could have just written it down like this: half base times height. Okay, our base over here is 14 centimeters and our height is 9 centimeters. We will always indicate the height of a specific shape with a dotted line. So half times the base times the height. Where's our base? This is our base. Here at the bottom is the base of the triangle. And this dotted line, I just told you, is the height. Right? So it's going to be half multiplied by your base, which is 14, multiplied by your height, which is 9. Right? So once you compute this, your answer should be 63 centimeters. Centimeters what? Centimeters squared, right? I would suggest first finding out what is 14 multiplied by 9, and then you find the half of that answer. Does it make sense? I really hope it does. If it doesn't make sense, please let me know so that I can work on it and we can work on it together. So over here we have a little rhombus. So in a test situation, we will always give you a weird shape to throw you off your ball game. But you should just look at what looks known to you, right? What looks known to you. So we have a rhombus over here, but they give us all the sides equal, and they give you the height, right? Can I tell you that a rhombus is simply just a rectangle, right? Because if you take this triangle out, if you cut this triangle out and you place this triangle over here, then a rectangle will form. A rectangle with 8 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 10 centimeters. And we know that the area of a rectangle is equal to length times breadth. What is the length? Length refers to the longer side. So we have 10, it's supposed to be meters. 10 meters multiplied by your breadth or your width is equal to 8 meters. 10 multiplied by 8 is equal to 80 meters. 80 meters what? 80 meters squared. I really hope this makes sense. When Sir returns next week, we will do area and perimeter of composite shapes, which is simply taking the area of a square or an area of a rectangle and then adding it together. There's a very nice and informative PowerPoint on Teams that you can make use of. Please make sure that all the PowerPoints are written down so that when I do return, that our lessons flows much better and that you have some sort of understanding based on the work that you wrote down. Have a wonderful week, grade 7s, and I will see you guys next week.